Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change YouTube TV password. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap on your YouTube TV. So once you open your YouTube TV, you can find your profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. So all you gotta do is simply move your cursor there and tap it open. So once you simply tap it open, you can simply go in your Google account section, and once you simply tap on Google account section, you will be redirected to this interface. So to change your YouTube TV's password, you need to follow the instructions to change your Google account password itself. So this action will change your password for all the Google services you use, like Gmail, Blogger, Calendar, and so on. So if you want to change your YouTube TV password, you need to simply change your Google account's password. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.